Hey everyone, it's Matt here.
All right. It's your friend Will. How's it going, everyone?
Welcome back to this episode of Savants Tech Talk. So today we're going to talk about Deno. Why is Deno important, you might be asking? Well, if you use Node.js, Deno was actually created to solve the pain points in Node.js. So here's 5 things you should know about Deno. The first thing you should know is that Deno was actually created by the guy who created Node.js, Ryan Dowell. It was actually created to help solve Node.js's design flaw.
Ryan Dowell had several things in mind, including, for instance, security or no package module using the use of NPM in mind when he created Deno. He took inspiration from Golang and some of the modern technology that came out into the market since the launch of Node.js. His brilliant mind really adapted to some of the modern development practice, and Deno is aimed to essentially encapsulate and address all these issues that was previously introduced by Node.js. And the word Deno, interesting enough, is actually an anagram for node. If you rearrange the letter of Deno, you can easily spell node.
The second thing you should know is that Deno is secure by default, unlike Node.js.
Yeah, Node.js can access files through OS. It can rewrite environment variables, doing all kinds of things that only operating systems have permission to do. If you want to have permission on doing those things on Deno, you have to specify them explicitly at runtime. Thus, it has higher security posture from a programming perspective than Node.js.
The third thing you need to know is that it actually has Typescript support. So if you're a Typescript lover, you can take advantage of all of the benefits that come with Typescript.
Yeah, we all know what Typescript can do to development. You're able to capture a lot of the errors that are introduced by types at runtime. Fail safe. You don't have to actually wait until it launches to the production, and until the user gave you feedback to tell you that your program is now functioning properly. You're able to capture those mistakes at earlier on stage. We all know what's the benefit of TypeScript. Just to name a few, it's easier for developers to create high-quality code with proper technical documentation. You are able to capture some of the potential logical error because you're using weak types. As a syntax error, you will fail at runtime. And Deno has that out of the box. You no longer have to install TypeScript using NPM. You can just use TypeScript out of the box.
The fourth thing is they have a better experience with the support packages. As Will mentioned, there's no more NPM.
You can install the external packages by URLs. And this is more of an inspiration that's taken from Golang. You don't have to actually install NPM, Node Package Manager, ever again if you use Deno. And Deno actually has a very, very strong, rich support package out of the box. You're able to process a lot of different document formats, for instance, YAML, for instance, CSV. So it's going to give the developer a much better experience when it comes down to using support packages, whether it's external or out of the box.
So now that we've gotten a little bit of an introduction into Deno, should you use Deno instead of Node.js?
And that leads to point number 5. It is not production ready. You should not use it in production. According to its creator, Ryan Dowell, because the first generation of Deno is just being released to public, there's a lack of successful examples of companies that actually adopt Deno in production. So if you are an experienced professional trying to build the next big thing, stay away from Deno for now. But that being said, Deno is a very powerful tool. And in the future, it's going to continuously get better and better. So I would strongly recommend you to start playing around with it, see what it feels like to code with Deno. And once it's ready, you can jump on the bandwagon like everybody else and develop a killer app with Deno.
So there you have it. There's a little bit about Deno. Have you used Deno before? If so, how do you like it compared to Node.js? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a like. If you want to see more great content, don't forget to subscribe.
Otherwise, stay safe and see you next time. Pa!